Mega Comrade Eranomigo Edegbe hailed His Excellency Governor Monday Okpebholo at the commissioning ceremony of the 54 construction equipment distributed to the 18 local government areas in Edo State, describing the initiative as a bold and strategic move to empower grassroots governance across the state. He further extended a warm welcome to the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Ezeon Wike, and Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole to the commissioning ceremony.
We can't say. That's the governor, His Excellency, Minister Wike. His Excellency Minister Wike. God bless Akpakobodo, sir. God bless Minister Wike. That's the Deputy Governor. Deputy Governor, the Akpakobodo, sir. Minister Wike. Yeah. Honorable. I carry you put away. How you doing? God bless you. You are welcome to Nigeria. Ministry, the heartbeat of Nigeria. Right here in Amigo from Dallas, Texas, United States. Right here. No, that's it, man. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Yes, Okpebholo is working. That is it. You can't hide the truth. You got me? Yes. This is Amigo, yes. All the way from Dallas. Yes. You know, yes, you've seen what is happening on ground, not speculation, for real. And that's why you have come to tell the world the true story. Correct. Not what others are saying. Correct. You are telling the real story. Correct. How it should be. Correct. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. One love. God bless you, sir. One love. You can see it, I'm standing. Yes.
After the successful event, he bade farewell to the special guests of honor, thanking them for gracing the occasion and honoring the invitation of His Excellency Governor Monday Okpebholo. He also noted that their presence and support would further encourage the governor to continue delivering impactful projects and doing even more for the good people of Edo State.
Live from Benin City. Live from Benin City. Mega Comrade. Live from Benin City. Live from Benin City. You some wicked governor Osho Baba. Sian. Men man for that boss. God bless the governor. God bless the governor of Edo State. Akpakobodo. We don't need to move to Adele. Sylvain Aṣíwájú Ìsìrà. See there. Akpako. My vehicle is coming. Off Wegbe. Off Wegbe. Off Wegbe. Akbako. 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 Yes. Akbako. Edo is shining. Yes. Akbako. Yes. Akbako. Yamde we ade come come out. Hey! Value you. Yes. Value you. Value you. Value you. Value you. Value you. Value you.
Angela Ileguma reporting for PFM Global News.